welcome to my channel all about decoupage. Hi, I am Veronica and today we're gonna do something different, a Christmas tree topper. And this tree topper will be with cute beagle design on it. For this project I used a large Styrofoam Star. I sand off any imperfection and painted it twice with white paint. Let it dry between each layer. I use rice paper for this project. I got the image printed and I got the image from Shutterstock. I did tear up the image in few places and I glued it on with Decoupage Glue. Of course, you can use Mod Podge as well. I use this image on both sides of the star. First, I applied a little bit of Decoupage Glue onto the star, then I applied the image and glued it on the star with more Decoupage Glue. Make sure there is no excess glue after you are done gluing it, because it will dry white, not clear. After it was dry, it was time to paint the surroundings of the image. I always try to use paints which go well with the image itself. All materials and links will be put in description below, so go on and check it all out. With red paint and small brush and little bit of water, I applied little dots on the star itself on both sides of the star. After drying, I applied glitter decoupage glue. This step is fully optional if you don't have glitter decoupage glue or glitter Mod Podge. Apply it evenly and make sure there is no excess as well, because it will dry white, not clear. After drying, it is time to seal our tree topper. I am using pouring glaze, but of course you can use varnish as well. I am applying 4 layers of the glaze and I let it dry between each layer. Well, technically you could be done by this moment, but I like to add a little bit of something different onto my design, so I'm using air drying clay and some mold and a stamp for my tree topper. Don't wanna make it, just wanna buy it. I do have an Etsy shop with my ornaments and decorations, available. If you wanna just go check it out. I will be putting the links also in the description below. I am gluing the clay with express glue from Pentart. I am pressing the stem into small amount of air drying clay. As well, make sure by gluing it onto your design you don't press too hard because you will ruin your saying by doing so. As you can see, I am trying to see where my saying goes the best, and then I glue it with the same express glue from Pentart onto the Tree Topper Star. After the clay is dry, I am painting it with some paints. And wiping off any excess of the paint and any imperfections of the paint. With black paint, I am painting the saying, and I am also then wiping off any excess of the paint, so the paint technically stays only inside the letters. Then I let it dry, and after drying I seal the clay part with matte varnish. Of course you can use glossy one as well. I used water-based varnish for this. Then I applied little bit of snow with my snow crystal pen onto the star, and here it is all finished. A cute different kind of tree topper for your Christmas tree with a cute Christmas beagle on it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this tutorial, please do give me a thumbs up. Please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and let me know what will be on top of your tree this Christmas. Thank you. Bye.